A perfect smile can brighten any photo, but yellow teeth can ruin the whole look. What if you could brighten them up in just a few clicks? Today I'll show you exactly how to do that inside Affinity Designer. The first thing you want to do is duplicate your layer so you're not working directly on the original image. Now, by default you don't see selection tools on the left panel. To access them, go to the top and switch over to Pixel Persona. You'll notice the tools on the left now look a lot more like Affinity Photo. For this tutorial, we'll be using the freehand selection tool. With it selected, just left-click, hold, and carefully draw around the teeth to create your selection. Next, go to Adjustments and choose HSL. From here, select the yellow channel. Then, reduce the saturation to remove yellow tones. And increase the lightness a bit to make the teeth brighter. As you can see, the teeth instantly look clean and white. Here's the before and here's the after. Big difference, right? I hope you've learned how easy it is to whiten teeth inside Affinity Designer. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, drop a comment and subscribe for more tutorials.